Keeping your car clean doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. A lot of people think that detailing a car requires fancy products or professional tools, but the truth is, some of the best cleaning tricks come from things you already have at home. In this video, we're sharing 10 simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective car cleaning hacks that not only work, but can keep your car looking and feeling fresh every day. Let's get started. 1. Use a foam brush for air vents. Air vents are notorious for collecting dust and they're hard to clean with a cloth. Instead, try using a small foam brush, makeup brush, or paintbrush dipped lightly in soapy water. Gently slide it between the vents. It'll pull out the dust without pushing it deeper in. It's quick, easy, and makes a noticeable difference in air quality. 2. Olive oil on the dashboard. After cleaning your dashboard with a basic interior cleaner, or even just a damp cloth, take a few drops of olive oil on a microfiber towel and gently wipe the surface. It gives the dash a clean, natural shine, and it also helps repel dust for longer. Just don't overdo it. A little goes a long way. 3. Toothbrush plus baking soda for seat stains. Seats take a beating. Spills, sweat, and dirt build up over time. For cloth seats, mix baking soda and water to form a gentle paste. Use an old toothbrush to scrub the stain in circular motions, then blot with a clean towel. This hack works particularly well on coffee, food, and old sweat marks. 4. Dryer sheets for bug removal. Ever struggle to get dried bugs off your bumper or windshield after a long drive? A wet dryer sheet can solve that. Just wet the sheet with water and gently wipe. The soft texture helps loosen the bugs without scratching your paint or glass. Rinse afterward for a clean finish. 5. Vinegar and newspaper for streak-free windows. Want perfectly clean windows? Skip the commercial sprays. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and use crumpled newspaper instead of paper towels. It may sound old school, but it works. No streaks, no lint, just clear glass. 6. Toothpaste for foggy headlights. Headlights can get cloudy over time, which affects visibility and makes your car look older. Apply regular white toothpaste, not the gel type, to the headlight lens using a soft cloth. Rub in circles, rinse, and wipe dry. The mild abrasives in toothpaste help polish and restore clarity. 7. Cupcake liners and cup holders. Cup holders are crumb magnets, but if you place silicone cupcake liners inside them, cleanup becomes effortless. Just lift the liner out, rinse it under water, and drop it back in. No scrubbing required. 8. Vacuum brush on seat creases. Crumbs and dust often collect in the seams and creases of your car seats. Most car vacuums struggle here, but if you use the brush attachment on your home vacuum, it loosens dirt and pulls it out more effectively. Use a side-to-side motion and go slowly for the best results. 9. DIY carpet cleaner. To freshen up floor mats or carpeting, mix equal parts club soda, white vinegar, and a drop of dish soap in a spray bottle. Spray lightly, scrub with a soft brush, and blot with a towel. It lifts stains, neutralizes odors, and leaves your mats looking refreshed. 10. Keep a trash container in the car. This sounds simple, but it works. A small reusable trash container like a cereal dispenser with a liner bag inside keeps all your wrappers, tissues, and receipts in one place. It takes just seconds to use and keeps the mess from piling up. Final thoughts. A clean car doesn't just look better, it feels better to drive. It shows you care about your vehicle, and it helps preserve its condition and value over time. These 10 easy hacks don't require special tools or expensive cleaners, just a little time, a few household items, and some attention to detail. Try 1 or 2 today. You'll be surprised how much cleaner and fresher your car feels. If you want a video on an interesting topic, let me know in the comments and I will make the next video for you.